So for all of you Cronos holders out there, I have some very big news. We have some news coming here that Crypto.com now has been granted a license in Dubai. But before we have a look at this article, let's just have a look at what Crypto.com has also done as well. For you guys who have missed it, they now have a new product feature on their exchange, which is strike options. And if some of you don't know what strike options are, it's basically when you have an option contract and it expires at a certain time with a strike price of, let's say for example, $10, and you'll either buy the contract or sell the contract if you think that it will hit the strike price. And so having strike options is very good because it does attract a lot of day traders, as it is very fast profit making. And you'll see over here it's straightforward yes or no decisions, less than $10 per trade, and you'll obviously note the huge risk and rewards for it. But again, you can definitely make a lot of profit with strike options than you can when you buy and hold a certain coin, especially in the long term. So let's have a look at this article. It says over here that Crypto.com has been granted a virtual asset service provider license by Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority. The license is subject to fulfillment of pre-operating conditions and qualifying for operational approval. And so as of right now, it looks like as if Crypto.com has just won this in Dubai, but there are still some other stages that they have to do with approval that will be going forward. And this news actually came out in the early hours of the morning yesterday. And if you don't already know, Dubai has been really active in the cryptocurrency space. They have been granting licenses to a lot of other coins that we know of, such as XRP coin, where the DFSA, Dubai Financial Services Authority, have approved the use of the asset for XRP. And I wouldn't be surprised if Dubai starts to do this with other coins down the road also. And it seems like as if they're going to be one of the crypto powerhouses. And so we've got here that after the approval, the VASP license will allow Crypto.com to offer regulated virtual asset service activities, including exchange services, broker-dealer services, management and investment services, and lending and borrowing services. And these services will be available to both retail and institutional users in market through either their app or on the exchange. And if we have a look at what the CEO of Crypto.com has said, he mentioned that it is an incredible honor to be one of the first crypto exchanges to be granted a virtual asset service provider by VARA, and it further proves our company's commitment to security and compliance. I believe that Crypto.com is one of the major exchanges out there that is compliant and highly secure. Dubai continues to show it is a leading market when designing effective regulation for the crypto space while still supporting adoption and innovation. We are excited to showcase more of our industry leading products to customers across permissible jurisdictions from Dubai and look forward to working with regulators contributing to this thriving ecosystem. Again, this is really good news for Crypto.com and for Cronos holders, and we have had quite a bit of news for Crocoin anyway this week. We had that back-to-back strike options, and we've also got this license now, and so I'm only looking forward to more licenses that Crypto.com will be able to get, especially in other countries abroad, and I'm very happy with this piece of news. So let's have a look at the price action for today. We are currently trading at 9 cents, or more so in that mid-range, and we are up by 6% on the one-day chart. We are trading at 28.4 million, and we are down by 7% on the volume. We were at 0.08614 with a volume of 30.5 million. That's where we basically pulled back and we had that retracement. However, we have had a bit of a climb here, especially just 2 hours ago, where we hit the same price levels more or less now at 0.09567 with similar volume, and then we dipped slightly, but we are still within that 9-cent range. If we have a look at the 7-day chart, we are currently up by 18.45%. So overall, we are doing really good for Crocoin. You'll see over here on the 9th of November, we were at 8 cents with volume being under 20 million, and it was at 16.68 million. And then we had that massive spike where we all enjoyed Crocoin going to that 12 cents. And of course, the volume was 4 to 5 times the amount of volume that it is right now. But for the past couple of days, you'll see over here that it has been playing with that 9-cent level really, and we should really be at that level, because if we have a look at the 1-month chart, if we go below 9 cents, we may be retracing back. So it would be good if Crocoin could potentially hold at this 9-cent level, but if it can't, then I think the next level should be the mid-range between the mid-7s and the 8-cent level. Guys, if you want daily Crocoin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.